Hi guys, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to transfer USDT from your OKX wallet to your Binance app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Binance app. The next thing is to tap on your wallet option. Tapping on my wallet option, you're going to see the different option for you to add, send and transfer crypto. So since I want to send crypto to this app, I just have to tap on add fund and tap on chain deposits. So tapping on it, I just have to search for the particular crypto that I want to send to this app. So tap on it. So it's going to take you to this phase of your Binance app where you have to select the network, and I'll be taking TRC20. So the next thing you have to do is to copy the address, head straight to your OKX wallet. I just have to log in, then tap on crypto, select the particular crypto which is USDT, tap on receive, tap on send, paste the address that I copied from my Binance app and tap on confirm. Enter the amount of USDT that I want to send to my Binance app. So if you have USDT in your OKX, it's going to bring for you space for you to send in order to complete the transaction. So immediately the transaction is being confirmed, it's going to send to your Binance app. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.